Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Solution channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the recycle bin from the desktop. So for that, first you have to open the Start menu. Then search for a settings called Themes and Related Settings. Here is the settings. Click on that. Now scroll down a little and select Desktop Icon Settings. Here you can see that the recycle bin is checked. Uncheck it and click Apply. After that, click OK. So let's get back to desktop. Now you guys can see the recycle bin is gone. In this way, you can remove the recycle bin from Windows 10 or Windows 11. For more videos like this, like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.